Hey guys, well, I think today we're going to try to get rid of this. That's the old generator, 6 volt. And look what we got, nice shiny new 12 volt 1 wire. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to get this thing out of here. All it is this bar that I extended. Take that off, loosen this up, get this weird wonky bracket out of here, and then we'll go from there. Okay guys, this is what we came up with. These were slotted, so I was able to push this forward, but I still wasn't able to get enough, and it was too close to the block, so I had to extend it. So I added a piece of 1/4-inch plate here, and then I added I don't know what that is, 3/16 onto that, and then another support here in the back. And I gave it a little more room than I probably needed. I'll have to put a couple washers in there just to shem it forward even more. But I think it's going to work. So let's get her together and see what we got. Well, we got her hooked up. As you can see, I got a heavy cable coming off, kind of rigged up over here, clamped on, and I'm getting 13.4, 13.42, somewhere in that ballpark. So it is charging, doing what it's supposed to do. Okay guys, here we go. This is a true cold start. We've got it bone cold here. Holding on to the exhaust. Actually, that's the exhaust. So it is dead cold. It's got some gas in it. Okay, here we go. A little choke. Close. So what do you guys think? Pretty good cold start? It's got a little choke on. You guys can see she's a little cold-blooded. But once it warms up a little bit, we'll be able to kick the choke off. Like I said, the choke is upside down, so if you want the choke off, here it gets better. It's not quite there yet. We'll keep it a little choke. Oil pressure is nice, almost 50 pounds at a cold idle. Can't beat that. So anyway, that's a cold start. You guys give a listen. No more pop, 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 fizz, fizz. I think we got her. Okay guys, the proof is in the pudding. Had my pellets delivered for this winter, and look at that. Pick them right off the ground. So I might have scuffed the bag on the way down, but pretty cool, eh? It works. 2,000 pounds. And our next project on this is we're gonna knock some of this more flaky paint off, and we're gonna paint it. What color do you think we should paint it, guys? I got a couple ideas. You can see there's yellow paint here, and somebody's painted green over the top of the yellow. There is some green paint right in there under the yellow, but I think there's at least 2 or 3 coats of yellow on this. It looks like there's some grayish green paint over there. So I don't really know. I originally thought maybe Massey Ferguson gray, but now I'm thinking maybe maybe even olive drab. I don't know. You guys tell me. Thanks again for watching, subscribing. We'll get back to you on the next one. Bye.